Hey there. Today we're diving into a common problem that Linux users encounter when dealing with sparse files. The issue at hand revolves around removing all the holes in a sparse file on a Linux system. While Windows has a straightforward solution using fsutil sparse setflag, Linux offers a different approach to tackle this problem. Now, let's talk about the solution to our sparse file problem. By utilizing the fallocate command with the L option, we can effectively remove the holes in the sparse file. This command allocates space for the file, filling in the gaps and ensuring a more efficient file structure. Through a series of steps involving creating a sparse file, listing its extents using filefrag, and then using fallocate to allocate space, we can effectively eliminate the holes in the file. By checking the extents again post-allocation, we can see that the file no longer contains holes, but has unwritten extents with specific physical blocks assigned to them. In summary, dealing with sparse files on Linux can be efficiently managed using the fallocate command. By following the steps mentioned earlier, you can remove all holes in your sparse file and optimize its structure. I hope this information helps you tackle sparse files effectively in your Linux system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any Linux jokes you might have. See you next time.